Hi, I'm Jerry. I'm 87 years old. Last April, I got a terrible outbreak of shingles on my chest and my back. The itching and the pain was almost unbearable. I couldn't sleep and the burning would not go away. We tried everything topical we could think of, everything. When I went to the dermatologist, he said that I would have this condition the rest of my life, and he prescribed gabapentin. The list of potential problems gabapentin is long. I started taking gabapentin, and if I missed a day, the pain would come roaring back. Then, thank the Lord, I heard about microdaily. I took it twice a day like you're supposed to, and after a few weeks the pain was completely gone, all gone. I have 6 refills of gabapentin and they are unfilled and they never will be. I love microdaily and what it's done for me. If you know of anybody that has shingles and has this problem, tell them about microdaily so they can have the same relief that I got.